Welcome to Explody FPS. It's Saira here, and in this video, I'll show you how to add live wallpapers to your Chrome tabs using a simple and effective extension called WallHub. If you're tired of boring, plain new tab backgrounds, this tutorial will help you bring them to life with stunning animated wallpapers. Let's get started! Step 1. We need to install a Chrome extension called WallHub. First, open Google Chrome, type Chrome Web Store in the search bar, and hit enter. Now go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type WallHub and press enter. Look for the extension named WallHub, Live Wallpapers for Chrome, and click on it. Then, click the Add to Chrome button and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once installed, WallHub will automatically activate and change your new tab background to a live wallpaper. Note: some themes of WallHub can do everything automatically, such as the custom live wallpaper theme, etc. Step 2. Setting up live wallpapers. Now let's explore how to customize your live wallpaper. Open a new tab and you'll see the default animated background. If not, don't worry, I will show you further in this step. To change it, look for the settings icon in the bottom corner of the new tab page and click on it. From here, you can upload a new .mp4 wallpaper. Now, in the new tab or in the link bar, type wallshub.com and press enter. Now, find your favorite wallpaper. Hover your mouse over Live Wallpapers, and it will show you a drop-down list where all the wallpaper categories are available. Select your favorite type, then find the wallpaper that you like. Once you choose, scroll down until you find the download button. Click on it to download it. I've already downloaded my favorite wallpaper. Now go back to the Fresh tab of Chrome. Again, click on the bottom corner icon to upload your favorite wallpaper. Choose it from the download destination and boom, you're good to go. Remember, if you want more live wallpapers beyond the built-in options, you can download them from various websites. Just open Google and search for live wallpapers for Chrome. You'll find multiple websites offering free and paid live wallpapers. Visit any trusted site, download your favorite wallpaper, and upload it, but make sure your live wallpaper is in .mp4 format. Otherwise, it won't work. Alternative: while WallHub is a great choice, there are also other extensions like Live Start Page or Wallpaper Engine for Chrome. You can try different ones to see which works best for you. Conclusion, and that's it. Now you know how to set up live wallpapers on your Chrome tabs with ease. Whether you stick with WallHub or explore other options, customizing your new tab background is super simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Saira, signing off.